A letter from Oswego County DA Greg Oakes details efforts by the Oswego County Sheriff's Department to investigate new suspect Michael Bohr's criminal background, including 2 previous attempted kidnapping incidents in Milwaukee. Bohr was also the main suspect in a violent attack on a young woman in Beacon, New York. Oakes told Gary Thibodeau's attorneys he has met with special agents from the FBI and asked them to look into Bohr's background. Quote, "If there is any chance your client is innocent, I want to know," said Oakes. In her response, Thibodeau's attorney said it was her own investigation that led sheriffs to Bohr's criminal history in the first place. Quote, "Your office failed to conduct the most basic investigation into Bohr's background," said Lisa Peebles. In his letter, Oakes says his office has, quote, "opened up the investigation in order to dispel the notion we are engaged in some sort of cover-up." He says he invited the New York State Attorney General's office to review and evaluate the case. Quote, "I'm not sure what else we can do to demonstrate the investigation is an honest and genuine search for the truth. We simply want to get it right." In her response, Peebles questions Oakes' motives. Last year, the Sheriff's Department secretly recorded a phone call between Jennifer Westcott and a friend. In that call, Westcott says her ex-boyfriend, Roger Breckenridge, James Steen, and Michael Bohr brought Heidi Allen to her home after she was kidnapped. Westcott, Steen, Breckenridge, and Bohr have all denied being involved with Allen's disappearance. Peebles says video footage turned over just days before the appeal hearing started shows that Jen Westcott failed a polygraph examination. Quote, "and in particular, failed questions relating to her knowledge that Steen, Breckenridge, and Bohr were involved in Allen's abduction." In her response, Peebles says that after Westcott failed a polygraph test, she was never interviewed again by either the sheriff's office or the DA's office. Quote, "Your letter is another futile attempt at appearing as though you are trying to uncover the truth and seek justice," said Peebles. "If you are truly seeking justice, your office should consent to a retrial of Gary Thibodeau and let a jury decide the truth."